So you take your boat out to the lake and you bring it home dirty. How do you keep it looking new all the time? In this video, I'm gonna show you how I keep this boat looking clean and brand new after every single use. What's up guys? Welcome to the Camp Cook Kayak YouTube channel. I'm Chris, and today we're gonna go over how I clean my Bonafide EX123. You can see here my last couple trips left some water lines on my boat, so we're gonna take the time to go through and clean this out. What's really great about this process, it's super easy and you can do it at home too. If you're looking for more videos like this, scroll down and check out my channel. Consider subscribing, and of course turn on that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. In order to complete this process, there's a couple things you really need. The first of which is a set of workhorses that you see here. So these are going to help keep the boat off the ground, make it a little easier to get to the underside. These are going to all around make the process a lot easier by picking the boat up off the ground, bringing it up to more of a workable height. Of course, you need a power washer of some sort. So this one I have here is a Bauer 2000 PSI from Harbor Freight. Works really well. I use it for all of my power washing needs. And the last thing you need here are your cleaning supplies. So to make this even easier, I use the exact same things that I use on my car. So the first thing on the left there is a ceramic wash. It's something I picked up from Walmart. Of course, we have a Jack Swack ceramic detailer to finish everything off. You'll need a bucket, some microfiber towels, and of course, some sort of cleaning mechanism, whether that's a sponge. I like to use a synthetic hand mitt. There's links in the description for all of the items that I'm using in this video, so scroll down and check those out. The first couple steps here are super simple. First of all, you want to set up your power washer, and of course, get your bucket ready. In there, I have some of the soap that we talked about, and of course, my wash mitt and water. With these two items set up, you're ready to get washing. Or wait, I'm forgetting something. There we go. Now we can get started. So the first step here is to use our power washer to work on just some of the stuff that's built up along the edges here. So you can see here, we've got a lot of dirt in this area, some up here as well. It's kind of the same all the way around it. Oh, spider. But what we really want to be careful of are like the Bonafide logo here, any of my decals that I need to keep on it. We want to be careful of those with a pressure washer just so we don't take them off. Let's go ahead and get started. Now that we've got the kayak sprayed down, let's just get some suds going in this bucket. And we're just going to take our wash mitt and start cleaning. From here, we'll go ahead and rinse it off. Once you've got it all rinsed off, you can go ahead and use some of the ceramic detailer and give it a wipe down as a part of the drying process to help give it some hydrophobic properties. Scroll down to the comments and let me know which chemicals do you suggest on cleaning kayaks. If you like this video, scroll down right now, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.
Diamonds in the sky, shades of pearl.